Algorithms. Explained and Anim is an educational application designed to help users understand various algorithms through interactive visualizations and explanations. Targeted at students, programmers, and anyone interested in computer science, this app breaks down complex algorithms into simpler, more digestible components. Typically, the app showcases a wide range of algorithms, such as sorting, searching, and graph algorithms, using animations to illustrate how each algorithm works step by step. This visual approach enhances learning by allowing users to see the processes in action, making it easier to grasp abstract concepts. In addition to the animations, Algorithms Explained and Anim often provides detailed textual explanations, examples, and sometimes quizzes to reinforce understanding. Overall, the app serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to deepen their knowledge of algorithms and improve their programming skills through engaging and informative content.